Today, let's have a great trade practice to improve our skills to the next level. We will go over a full top-down analysis by using smart money concepts and price action. We will discuss how to spot trade areas and how to make possible trades. If you are good to go, let's do this. Okay, let's have a deep talk on the structures and taking better trades. Imagine that you spot a nice multi-imbalance area. We know that the asset is trending and now pulling back into this zone. What can we do? It is actually quite simple, right? Wait for the inner structure shift and take a trade accordingly. This is the most logical movement and the trade. And then what happens from time to time? It crashes so hard on this that it stops us. If you carefully look at the higher time frame candles, like the 1 hour, 2 hour candles, you will see that buyers try to react, but there's not much power at first. This makes these trades tricky sometimes. But do not get me wrong, this setup works a lot of time, but not all the time. Sometimes if you are scared, not sure, or find yourself confused or conflicted, just wait a bit. Wait to see buyer power. With the high time frame candlesticks, highs being taken out and buyers showing some power in our direction. So sometimes skipping the first reversal of market structure break could be a wise idea actually, and waiting for the first break of structure can be a great idea. This will give you extra confirmation and make you feel more secure in the trade. Will it work all the time? Hell no! Nothing works all the time. No pattern or no strategy. What we need is to work around 50 or 60 times out of 100 times. You can lose 40 times and still be okay in any kind of strategy. If you seek even more confirmation, there are a couple of small things. Especially this kind of inner liquidity sweep areas with the inner support and resistance flips are really great. These are actually A++ trade setups. In every trade you take, finding entry is good, but also looking for targets is important as well. Okay, this price rallies, but rallies to where? Possible targets that can pull the price. Previous day, week, and month's high points. Or maybe kind of equal highs. It can be a parabolic liquidity areas and imbalances, of course. Furthermore, a bearish support resistance flip points could be a target. All these give me a reason for the rally. Extra confluences and confirmations are always great for the traders. Let's check out a couple of multi-imbalance areas and price reactions. Notice how the price reacts to the multi-imbalance zone. First, rejecting with large wicks, and then starting to take out the candle highs. This is especially visible in the 1 and 2 hour time frame in this example. This means that inside in the lower time frames, there are now a couple of break of structure happening after the first MSB. Let's look at another example here. First of all, we have a great target above, if you can see it, the monthly high with the imbalance combo. In our multi-imbalance area, price first pulls back and then moves as the buyers get stronger and start taking out the highs. Continuous break of structure happening in the lower time frames in this example as well. Let's look at this crash this time. As you notice, this is a downtrending asset and it is obviously crashing really hard. At some point, it pulls back to the multi-imbalance area, but what happens is that price takes out the candle lows again. Then the crash continues downwards. In the lower time frames, bearish structure breaks keep happening in this example. How about this example here? Actually, the same thing happens here. So the summary of this video could be that waiting for more confirmations may reduce your stop losses. But waiting is the hard part for any trader out there. I know that really well. For example, check this inner structure out with the lower time frames. The first market structure break, MSB, happens as you can see. And this is a logical trade with no problem at all. But for some reason you cannot trust this setup yet. Maybe it crashed on you many times and you got upset and scared this time. Then just wait for another break of structure to take the trade. And you will see more powerful side of the buyers this time. I'm sorry that there's nothing out there that will work 100%. Actually, not even 90%. If you can take 100 trades and win around 60 trades and lose around 40 trades, believe me, you are an elite, a professional trader. There is nothing beyond this because markets keep changing. Any strategy that you learn may work 80% one week and 40% the next week. So this is all about the long game, the data and the statistics of being in the net profit. That's all. Okay friends, this was a good educational video. See you next time and please take care and have a great day. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.